a follow-on to the backup video, what I thought I'd do is do a quick show of how to do a restore to show you how that actually works. So what I did is I went out to my NAS client and basically I'm going through the traversing the backup structure that it was indexed during the backup. And again, these were the files that we saw on the NAS share that I had mounted out here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete. I'm just going to go with this media player and the photo viewer. We'll delete those off of my primary storage here, and media player and this one here. So let me delete this, and we'll delete the media player. Okay, and put that back down. What I'm going to do is select those as the restore, recover those selected files or directories. And then it's going to basically say, do I want to overwrite? And I know they're not there, so I'm not going to select that. Restore the same folder, yes. And then I'm going to basically give it the login ID for the SMB mount point. So and password. And that looks good. Okay. And if we go to the job controller section, we'll see a new restore job running. This one I just submitted, the one on the top, job number 9. And total completed status, and we'll go check and see if the files are in the directory. All right, complete status. Let's go back over here. And there they are. Media and viewer are back where they were, I believe. So that just kind of went through the real quick of how the restore works. Again, we restored it, backed it up to object store, and then restored it from the object store back to the SMB mount point, which is the Azure NetApp Files volume. Thank you.